Hi guys, welcome to another resin tutorial from mayartistry. Today, I will show you how I made these gorgeous resin keychains with real dried flowers. As you know, most of the resins are not meant to be taken out in the sun, and if you did, they turn yellow. But these keychains are good to go out in the sun as the resin used here has excellent UV protection and is non-yellowing. The manufacturer of the resin claims this. Before we dive into the materials, make sure to smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to all so that you can learn easy tips and tricks in making resin art and crafts. Besides, watching a calming art is so soothing and satisfying, so ring in the bell guys. To make the keychains, I am using this large mold with letters from A to Z and numbers from 0 to 9. I will be pouring craft resin into the mold. It is an excellent resin and I think it will work well for the keychains that are mostly out in the sun. This resin is an excellent UV resistant and is non-yellowing. These properties will block the resin from turning yellowish over time. I will be using these beautiful tiny real dried flowers in keychains. And to make the keychain sparklier, I will add a few drops of this Marabou glitter alcohol ink. It is a combination of blue, green and gold glitters. Other alcohol ink colors I am adding here are metallic blue, metallic violet, metallic green, and this Pinatas magenta. I will add only a couple of drops of these colors in each letter. Finally, some gold flakes to make it look rich and attractive. At first, I have premixed the resin and hardener in equal amounts, following the manufacturer's instructions. In the clear resin, I am adding only a couple of drops of glitter alcohol ink. Give it a quick mix. And then pour the resin slowly in each letter. You can see this up close. It looks so beautiful to watch. I am adding up to a little less than half of the mold's height. Let the resin stand for 5 minutes and blow it off with a mini heat gun to eliminate the air bubbles entrapped. Now with a plastic tweezer, I am adding some flowers in each letter. You must have noticed that the front side of the letters is facing the table here. They are upside down. So I am placing the flowers in the same direction. That is, front of the flowers is facing down. Adding the flowers randomly, there is no mat to it. These vibrant colors will look amazing in clear resin. I will be making it more dynamic by adding colors in resin in the next step. After adding all the flowers and adjusting them to the desired position, I have left the mold covered for about 12 hours for the resin to cure. I mean, it's not completely cured in 12 hours, it's almost halfway. And then I have mixed a fresh batch of clear resin to fill the remaining half of the mold. I have poured a little resin in each of these tiny clear cups and now adding a drop of alcohol ink here. This is magenta. Dilute the colors in the resin. In a separate batch of clear resin in this mug, I am adding our glitter alcohol ink. This time a little more quantity than the last time because I want it to look more sparklier. You can see how shiny it looks. And in this mixture, I am adding some gold flakes. This beautiful mix I am pouring in the mold to fill it. This is so satisfying to watch the way the resin with gold flakes flow in each compartment of the mold. At the end, I am adding the colored resin, a drop of two colors in each letter. After filling the mold completely with resin, leave it aside for 24 hours for the resin to cure. After a day, I am demolding it. The resin separates from the mold easily. Once the resin is rock hard, I have drilled a screw in it and attached a snap hook, ring, these lovely tassels and a mini lucky charm in each of the letters. That was a heck of a work, but it looks mind-boggling and I'm happy. It's a must-have item so that you do not lose your keys. These are available in the Etsy shop on mayartistry. I will paste a link in the description below. Do check it out and fill your cart. I hope we learned something fun today and you guys enjoyed it. If you like it, hit a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel by hitting the red button below and turn on the notification icon. It is a small deed from your end, but it helps an artist like me a lot. Take care and I love you all.